Hello everyone, today we'll be starting off by drawing this ambulance. In order to do so, start off by drawing the wheels. Draw two of them since we'll be only showing one side. Now within these circles, add two more circles within them and then afterwards draw the rest of the bus. Start off by drawing the base and then connect the rest of it with it as such. Afterwards, draw these little windows as such. Add these horizontal lines and then connect all of them together. As you are adding these horizontal lines, add vertical lines to them as well to connect them. Now add a horizontal line to the bottom as well that goes all the way through. Add the headlights and the tail lights now and then add the ambulance symbol at the top and then add the cross on the side. Color it in red and white. Next, we'll be learning how to draw a fire engine. Start off by taking a coin and then draw two circular shapes out of it. Now draw a base horizontal line as such. Add these horizontal lines in order to make the front and the back of the fire truck accordingly and then connect it diagonally to begin with. Add a window to it and then afterwards draw this diagonal symbol at the back as well in order to mark the ladder. Now add the lines to the ladder as well. This is a very important component of it, do not forget. Now add a ladder like shape to the side as well as they have multiple of these. Now add a horizontal line, two of them that go all the way through in the back portion of it. After you're done with this, add the headlights and then afterwards add the ambulance or rather the siren at the top as well. Next, we'll start off by drawing the circular shape and then underneath draw this ovular shape as well. Connect the two together from either side and then afterwards draw the back portion as well. Add the propeller on the front as such. We've added two propellers as such. Now afterwards add a heart shape on the side and then add a little circular shape at the bottom as such. Add the top to it and now this will be a little carrot plane. Afterwards color it in accordingly. Make these two circular shapes using any sort of circular object. Add a horizontal line on top of this along with a vertical line in between this. Afterwards, connect the two. These will make the windows. Add another layer above this and then this will complete the car. Afterwards, connect either side of the wheels as such using the rest of the lines. Now, do the top portion of it and then add this little symbol to it. This will be a little taxi. Now add the wheel to it in the front. Add the headlights. You may also add the tail lights. And then afterwards, add a horizontal line that goes all the way through. You may also add little detailings to the wheels. Don't forget to add the handlebars and everything else. This will be a police car to be more specific. So, take your red marker and then add red on one side, add blue on the other as such. Color the base in blue as well and then after this make sure that you do it precisely. Now once you have finished coloring it in blue, that is the bottom part in blue, take your red marker and then mark some parts of it in red as well. Use a lighter shade of blue for the windows as such and then once you have finished coloring this in, use yellow for the headlights as such. This will be the final look of our police car. Next, we'll start off by drawing this cross shape and then afterwards add two circular shapes on either end connected by a horizontal line in the middle. Add another circle within this as such. Connect either side of these wheels, adding curved lines on either end. Color this in. Next, we'll be learning how to draw this rocket. Start off by drawing a vertical line and then add a circle right beside it. Add another vertical line right beside this. Add a pointed top to it as such and then on either side, add these diagonal lines to it. Afterwards, add the back of it, add some smoke to it as such and then connect it. Color this in yellow. Next, we'll start off by drawing the wings of this plane as such and then make it into an ovular shape on either side. Now, after this, add the window and then add little smaller windows to mark the passengers' windows of the plane as such. Color this in. Next, we'll start off by drawing this baseline and then draw this ovular shape on top of it. Now, add vertical lines on either end of it. Now, connect this accordingly. Make a diagonal line and then a straight line that goes all the way through. Add a circle in the center as such. This will be a plane. Thank you for watching.